When students are making website projects, they often get frustrated that their websites don't look as flashy, as glamorous, creative, or interesting as many of the sites they see online. And part of this is just the fact that students don't have tens of thousands of dollars and teams of graphic designers creating and coding new websites. However, there are some design trends that have occurred over the past few years that are available to pretty much all levels of website designers and should be implemented in order to make sure that your website displays information effectively. The first trend is streamlined top bar navigation. Although over the years, navigational elements have been found all over the places on websites, to the left, to the right, nowadays most people expect a bar of navigation elements to occur at the top of the page. Websites nowadays also try to streamline that navigational bar more so than in the past, so that just the top level elements are visible without submenus and submenus and submenus going on forever. Second, websites have become more media rich. Frequently, this means larger and more intentional use of images. However, more websites nowadays also thoughtfully incorporate video and audio elements as well. If you do incorporate either video or audio, please do not autoplay it at your audience, as many people find this annoying. Large images that serve as background headers, and large images at the top of stories, often called hero images, are used nowadays to set the tone for whatever information is going to come on the page. As one reads down, frequently they will find many more images that help enhance the textual content of the website. If you do add audio and video, and this is especially true for video, make sure to check the layout on multiple formats to ensure that it doesn't break the overall layout of your web page. Finally, web pages nowadays embrace white space much more so than in the past. Just look at this image of Khan Academy from long ago, and this recent one. You can see how things are still organized, however, they've been compartmentalized into an overall much less busy landscape. The effect in using negative space this way is that the viewer understands what sections go together. Overall, the use of negative space greatly helps the viewer. They are quickly able to see what sections there are, and they're able to chunk out that information, make it more digestible very quickly. So, when you're creating your own website project, make sure to streamline your navigation, add more media-rich elements, and embrace white space. To get help implementing these or any other website design trends in your own work, feel free to schedule a consultation in the Digital Act Studio. Happy designing!